Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making orange slice cake. And if you don't know what those are, these are orange slices. They're little candies, like gummies, sugar coated. They are delicious. That's what inspired me for this cake. So, you put your oven on 250. This is a low heat and it takes about 2.5 hours to 3 to cook this cake because it's so dense. So we're going to start with our sugar. Our butter. I'm going to beat that. Till it's creamy. Then we're going to add in, I have 4 eggs here that's beat up. I'm going to add them a little at a time. And we got our plain flour. Squish it around. Okay. We're going to put in our buttermilk and soda that I've already added. Give that a stir. I've sprayed my pan with that Baker's Joy on all sides, around and in the middle. I took some of my flour and I coated. This is the chopped up candy, chopped up dates and pecans. You want to coat them with a little bit of flour like this so they won't all fall to the bottom. And we're going to start adding. It's going to become real thick. It's going to be a very dense cake. You can use chopped up dates and chopped up pecans, but you'll have to chop the candy yourself. I've never seen it. Those chopped up. I don't think I would make this cake with a hand mixer. I guess you could, but it'd be hard. Let's see how thick it is. Ooh, it's thick. And our last is coconut. Make sure you mix it, all of it together. Okay. Ooh, that's thick. It smells wonderful. You can really smell that orange candy. Okay, we're going to take this. Just put it around the cake. You'll have to use a large pan. This won't fit into one of them little bundt pans. You have to have a big one. One that you make one of them big pound cakes with. We're going to spread it out evenly. It's going to go for 250 for 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm going to check it at 2.5, and that's what it looks like. It's not a big cake. The cake's out of the oven. I made a glaze. It's only 2 cups of powdered sugar and a cup of fresh orange juice. I went ahead and zested the orange to give it a little zip. And this is what the glaze looks like. It's just, runny. And we're going to pour it over the cake. We're going to make some holes in the cake with this skewer so it'll go through. Okay, we're going to pour the glaze over it. Might look like a lot, but it's going to soak into this cake. That's what it looks like. We're going to let it sit overnight so it'll seep into the cake and make it moist and orange tasting. And then we'll slice it up and show you what it looks like. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.